In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover Discord account without email. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, the first step you'll need to do is to close this one and go to any browser that you have. Personally, I'm going to use Google Chrome. Open the browser, then go to search and search for support.discord.com. Then press on enter. Then it will land you on this page. So you will need to tap on those three dots on your top right corner. Then tap on desktop. Then it will have a desktop view. So you are going to tap on submit a request at the top there. Then it will land you here on this page. So you are going to tap on under what can we help you with. So tap on that box, then tap on help and support. Then now here you are going to fill all this form. You are going to enter your email address, then type of question. You are going to choose account verification and credentials. Then what type of issue are you experiencing? You are going to scroll down a little bit, then select forgot password. Then under subject, you are going to enter account recovery. Then once you have entered that, you will scroll down a little bit. Then you will see description. So you are going to enter a brief description about the problem that you are experiencing. So I'm going to write here. You can pause the video and copy whatever I'm going to write here. So you will copy this and write it on the description. Now once you have written that, you will now scroll down a little bit. Then you are going to see submit button at the bottom there. Just tap on it. Then your request was successfully submitted. So hopefully Discord will send you a recovery sign-in link on the email that you have provided there. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider to leave a like and to subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching and hope to see you in the next one.